KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you enjoyed the beautiful day and a beautiful evening as well. Clear skies out there though, giving way to clouds later on tonight, but we have a full moon out there as well, so something to look at. But the clouds coming in and showers won't be far behind as we head into tomorrow. Our upper level system that's going to deliver rain to us is in the southwest over by Arizona. That's going to be moving quickly and develop a weak area low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico during the day tomorrow. Secondary system up here by the Pacific Northwest into the western provinces of Canada. That's going to bring a cool front through the area. Storm track on this one is going to be to the north of us, but it will drag a front through the area by late Sunday. So as we look at it right now, some pretty beneficial snows developing through the Rockies. Needed rains to put out the fires in California. Snow at elevation, but also hampering some recovery efforts there. And meanwhile, locally for us, just a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine after that weather system pushed on through across the area early this morning. But clouds invading from the west will start the day tomorrow again with mostly cloudy skies. Maybe a little dull sunshine early Friday, so it may not be such a bad start to our Friday. And then as the day progresses, the clouds are going to be thickening on up. I think we're going to start to see some showers and probably more shower activity that we are seeing right here. So the model, I think, is underdoing some of the precip. There's that area of low pressure. As it gets a little bit closer to us in the afternoon, we'll start to see a little bit more in the way of shower activity. Mostly thunderstorms staying offshore, but a rumble of thunder possible right near the coast as we go into late tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. So we have some pretty high rain chances, but the day won't be a washout. We'll have a 4 or 6 hour period where we'll see scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and roughly by this time tomorrow night, maybe a little bit later, showers will be ending. And in its wake, a very light pressure gradient, so we're going to see lingering clouds and more than likely fog as we go into Saturday morning. And then those clouds begin to break up Saturday afternoon, and depending on how quickly the clouds burn off, we could see temperatures in the 60s, but they could also be in the 70s. And then as we get into Sunday, certainly 70s out ahead of this frontal boundary. That'll be getting here late in the day and should generate some showers after the time frame we have here. We'll go 30-40% on your rain chances Sunday, maybe a rumble of thunder as well, but no severe weather. And then much cooler air coming in as we start the new work and school week going into next week. As for rainfall, this weather system a little bit wetter than the one we saw last night. Generally a 1/4 inch of rain. Some spots might see a little bit more, and if there's a rumble of thunder or two, might catch up to 1 inch of rain, but no concerns at this point on rainfall nor any severe weather threats, so good news there. So temperature wise tonight, we get down into those mid 40s, but they rise a little bit toward daybreak, closer to the upper 40s. And then tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 60s in spite of the cloud cover and the shower activity during the course of the afternoon hours. Tomorrow night, we'll hold it in the 50s. This is when we're going to see fog, so good numbers for fog development as well. And going into Saturday, upper 60s, maybe even lower 70s, depending on when that cloud cover and, of course, that fog breaks up in the morning. So here's the fog product tonight, tomorrow, no issues, but we fast forward to tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. A lot of dark colors here indicating zero visibility, so we could see some of that pea soup fog. So if you have early morning travel plans scheduled Saturday, allow a little extra time, maybe wait a few hours, and then things will improve as we get later in the day Saturday. So seasonably cool tonight, that full beaver moon, but clouds moving in later on tonight, and they thicken up tomorrow. Maybe a little dull sunshine early, but mostly cloudy late. Afternoon showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, 70% before the sun sets tomorrow evening. And again, those showers continue into early tomorrow evening. Black Friday shoppers, this is your forecast. Dry and cool in the morning, temperatures in the 40s by lunchtime, rain chance 30-40% range, and then showers most likely tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. So here we go with the next 5 days. Mild temperatures this weekend, cooler early next week, and then up and down temperatures toward the end of next week. We'll see temperatures back into the 70s briefly, but back down into the 40s at night as well. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.